In this video, I am replacing the tie rods, the inner and the outer. This is going to explain a quick trick on how to get a stuck outer tie rod off of the wheel spindle. So first step is on this bolt, you're going to take off the nut that's on there. It usually looks something along the lines of this, or it could be a castle nut that actually looks like this. This is the new one. That's a castle nut. So you're going to take that off so nothing's holding it on. And then if you've tried to hit, from bottom up with a hammer and nothing happened, don't go too crazy on that, because if you bend this, it won't be able to go through the spindle hole and you're going to have a big problem. You're going to have to file this off, which I've had to do before. So learn from my mistake. So if you hit this a few times, it doesn't bust it loose, you can try to knock it a little bit loose with that. Continue to try to hit upward. I already broke this loose, but I'm giving you an illustration. Next step you're going to want to do is use some penetrating WD-40. This stuff's really great. So you can spray pss, 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 up and down right there, just like that. Okay, and if all of that fails and you still can't get it off, this is what you need to do. You're going to go rent one of these tie rod remover tools from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, hardware store like that. This tool is very awesome. It connects onto this component right here. I believe this is the spindle. You wiggle it on and then you turn this bolt all the way down. Mine's kind of protruding a little bit, so that's why it's not working. So let me take my wrench off. I'm going to spin this down and I'm going to position it right below the bolt of the tie rod itself. And tighten it up. So as this goes up, it applies the pressure down, and the bolt of this tool will push the bolt of the tie rod up and out, and it's gonna pop through. So this is just a basic wrench. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on and give you a demonstration here. And it pops right up, just like that. Now mine was easy because I already busted it loose. I just wanted to give a demonstration, so I smacked it down a few times. But this tool is a very fast and effective way to remove your tie rod without damaging your existing components like the spindle right here. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.